Hello, today we're going to work on lesson 10 and we're going to first work on order of operations. So we need to remember PEMDAS. So PEMDAS. M and D goes together and A and S goes together as well. So P is going to be parentheses, so the numbers that are inside the parentheses. E is going to be exponent. M is going to be multiplication. D is going to be division. A is addition and S is subtraction. So these are the orders of operations, and so we need to first solve the numbers that are inside the parentheses. Then go to exponent, then multiplication and division, then addition or subtraction. So let's look at number 1. For number 1, see how the numbers are inside the parentheses. So although there's addition, we need to first solve the numbers that are inside the parentheses. So 2 plus 4 is 6, and 2 times 6 is 12. So 12 is going to be the answer for number 1. And recognize how it's going to be different if you multiply 2 and 2 first, which is going to be 4. And if we add 4s together, we're going to get 8. So it's going to be different and wrong. So we need to look at the operations. So let's look at number 2. For number 2, we need to first add the numbers that are inside the parentheses again. So 6 plus 2 is going to be 8. Then 2 times 4 is going to be 8. And if we add them, it's going to be 16. So 16 is going to be the answer for number 2. Let's look at number 8. For number 8, we need to first solve 5 minus 3, which is 2. Then we need to skip plus for now and then look at the multiplication first. So 6 times 2 is 12, and then we need to now add 2 and 12, which is going to be 14. So 14 is going to be the answer for number 8. Let's look at number 11. For number 11, we have 2 times 9 divided by 1. However, for this one, multiplication and division, the order does not matter. So 2 times 9 is 18. Then we need to divide it by 1, which is still 18. So 18 is going to be the answer for number 11. Let's move on to the next page. So for this page, we have find the sum or difference. So let's look at number 1. For number 1, we have $2,179 minus $1,493. So 9 minus 3 is 6. And we need to subtract 9 from 7. However, 9 is greater than 7, so we need to borrow. 2 is going to be 1. 1 is going to become 11. And we need to borrow from 11 again. So 11 is going to become 10, and 7 is going to become 17. Now 17 minus 9 is 8. 10 minus 4 is 6. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So $686 is going to be the answer for number 1. Let's look at number 2. For number 2, we have $8,357 minus $4,925. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. And we need to borrow from 8, which is going to become 7. 3 is going to become 13. And 13 minus 9 is 4. And 7 minus 4 is 3. Therefore, $3,432 is the answer for number 2. Let's move on to the next page. So for this page, we need to find the missing number. Let's look at number 1. For number 1, we have 25 pennies equals to blank nickels. So pennies is going to be 1 cent, so which is 0.01, and nickels is going to be 0.05. And dime is going to be 10 cents, so 0.10, and quarter is going to be 0.25, so 25 cents, and $1 bill is going to be $1. So let's look at number 1 again. So it says 25 pennies. So 25 pennies is going to be 0.25 since there are 25 of 0.01s. So it's same as 0.25. And now we need to change that into nickels. So nickels was 0.05. And we need to find out how many nickels is going to be 0.25. First, we need to add a few of them. So if we add 5 of the nickels, we're going to get 0.25. Since 5 times 5 is 25, so 0.05 times 5 is going to be 0.25. So 25 pennies is going to equal to 5 nickels for number 1. Let's look at number 4. For number 4, it says 2 nickels, 2 dimes. So 2 nickels, so 1 nickel was 0.05. So if we have 2 of them, if we add 2, then we're going to get 0.10. So 10 cents. And now dime was 0.10, 10 cents, which is equal to 2 nickels. So 1 dime is going to equal to 2 nickels. So 2 nickels equals to 1 dime is the answer for number 4. Thank you.